What if I told you that the secret to a longer life is your sleep? Scientists worldwide are asking the same question. As it turns out, we didn't evolve to sleep just for the sake of sleeping. Quality sleep is now being acknowledged as a powerful tool against depression and anxiety. How? Well, picture the year of 2020, the height of the COVID-19 pandemic and a time of chronic stress affecting millions. Over 600 participants were studied where age, gender, ethnicity, as well as several other factors such as the participants' alcohol consumption, quarantine status, and physical activity levels were taken into consideration. Quality sleep proved to be a necessity to build resilience and strength, helping with depression and pathological anxiety. To back it up, another study of over 172,000 people revealed that those with quality sleep patterns are less likely to die early. It's not just about the hours, it's more about the restful, uninterrupted sleep. Want to add years to your life and vitality to those years? Well, focus on optimizing your sleep. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on your pursuit of longevity.